This is my drippy ass faucet, and today we're gonna fix it. First thing we want to do is turn off the water. Simple. Check to make sure it's all the way off. Nothing. Now start disassembling the faucet. Onto this little piece right here. It might be different on yours. Pop that off. Down there's a little screw. Once it's unscrewed, the handle's going to come right off. And I'll unscrew the rest of it. If this doesn't come right off by your hands, get a pair of pliers. These right here are your seals. These little rubber pieces. They're what's keeping the water in the pipes when you get the water off. Once these go bad, your water starts to drip. Just got to replace these and put it all back together. I've also, for good measure, cleaned this up a bit. There were a little bit of hard water deposits around where the seal is, so I went ahead and straightened that up just to make sure. This right here is what it looks like when the seals are all back in place. We've replaced the outside and the inside. Now we can put this side back together. You can see this flat side here. If you look under the handle, you'll see a flat side on that, and you want to be angled the same way. Once everything's back in, you got everything hand tightened. Give it a couple more good spins just to make sure it's back in place. Top screw back in place. Turn your water back on. Alright, so the water's back on, and I still noticed a little drippy. So what I noticed was, right here, this little clamp bolt, take a pair of pliers, and I tightened it just another couple turns until no more drip. And the handle's back on, and we're good. We fixed the leaky fucking faucet. That's it, guys. Happy fixing. Later.